Hearty welcome to the participants of Delhi region to the online course on designing e-resources designed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us have a quick look at the course content: managing files and folders, introduction to MS Word, preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video, slicing videos, uploading video on YouTube, preparing online quiz, preparing interactive worksheets using free open software, preparing audio files using free open software, and storing and sharing the resources prepared, and documenting all content online through Blogger. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSEE, Free, Libre and Open Source Software for Education project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSSEE team for designing a dedicated URL for us and allowing us to use their platform for training Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. The self-learning contents of the course are presented in the form of videos. The whole course is in the self-learning mode. And you have to log in to this website, that is kvszetrg.fosse.in, to register and view the contents. Please note down, it is kvszetrg.fosse.in. There is one more website, yaksh.fosse.in. Please don't log in into that. Please log in to kvszetrg.fosse.in to register and view the content of the course designed for you. Let us start. You have to open this URL, kvszetrg.fosse.in. This is the website. The login page will open. As you are a new user, you have to select new user sign up. A registration page will open. You have to give a username. Please select a simple one. Don't make it highly complicated. Select a simple username. Then give the valid email ID which is functional now. After this registration is over, if you submit the registration, the activation link will go to this email ID only. You have to click it to get your account activated. Select a very easy password and confirm the password. Give your first name and give your second name or last name, whatever may be. Then you have to give your roll number. You have to enter the serial number at the list of participants. We have received the list of participants from Delhi region. That will be shared with you. This file will be shared with you in your email ID. Please note down this serial number. This will be your roll number. You will be using this roll number while you are submitting your quiz and assignment daily. Therefore, please note down this serial number, which is your roll number. Enter that. Then in place of institute, please enter your Kendriya Vidyalaya name. In department, please enter KVS. In position, you please enter your designation along with subject. I repeat, in the roll number, please write the serial number in the list of participants given by your Delhi region, which is shared with you in Excel format. In institute, write your Kendriya Vidyalaya name. In department, write KVS, and in position, enter your designation. Simply register. Click it. You will get one mail immediately in the mail which you have given in the registration form. Please try to activate it within 20 minutes. Webmaster Yaksh email verification. Click it. A link is there. Please click the link to activate your account. Now your account is activated. On right corner you will get your name. Click home now. Now you are ready to log in to kvszetrg.fosse.in. log in with your credentials, login name and password. Click login. It will take you to a page where you are having the courses listed. But caution, don't enroll for this Yaksh demo course. Do not enroll for this Yaksh demo course. Now you have to search for the course designed for your region. For in the enter code to search, please type Delhi in all capital. The course code is case sensitive. Type DELHI in capital and search. It will take you to a page where online course on designing e-resources Delhi region is there. You know what you have to do now? You have to enroll for the course. Therefore, step number 1, you have to register in Yaksh platform. Then number 2, you have to enroll for the course by searching the course. It will take you once again, confirming your enrollment. Enrolled in online course on designing e-resources Delhi region by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Here also you are seeing 2, online course Delhi region and Yaksh demo course. As usual, you should not touch that Yaksh demo course. Please click start to enter this online course designed for your region. It will take you once again to a page where online course of designing e-resources Delhi region. Click start to enter the course. There is a discussion forum where you can ask questions. It will take you to the front page. You are seeing on the left side, the lessons are arranged in order. There are 26 lessons which are arranged in order. You can see on the left side. Okay. Now let me start to view from the beginning. Here there is one icon. You click it to enlarge the page. Some introduction is given about the course. After reading it, below that you are having a start button, start, so that you can enter lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, online course on designing e-resources Delhi region is managing files and folders. You can once again click it to enlarge and then read it. Every lesson will have some introduction and one video embedded. You have to watch this video because quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. You have seen it now. Then after that, click next. It will take you to the second lesson, that is preparing reading material, converting the file to PDF. Okay, like that you have to go through the lessons one after the other. Sometimes some of you may be interested to jump. You will be interested to go to these sharing videos online without seeing the previous lessons. But this will not allow you. You have not completed previous lesson, quiz or exercise. What is the meaning of it? If you want to see the lesson number 2, you should have seen the lesson number 1. If you want to see the lesson number 5, you should have seen lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, you have to go in order. The another caution, please don't try to see all the videos at a stretch. Don't try to complete 100% immediately, because your quiz and assignments will be based on the lessons in order. For example, the quiz and assignment number 1 will be based on lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. The quiz and assignment number 2 will be based on lesson 5, 6, 7, 8. And take your time. Please see the videos casually. Please see minimum 4 videos per day and maximum 5 videos per day, so that with a lot of concentration you can see the videos and you can do the quiz and assignments. And you have to click start after, suppose if it come back, then you have to click start. Then now it is going to the lesson number 2. You have to see the lessons in order. If you have any doubt in logging in or seeing the content, there are mentors for that. You can contact them. And if you have any doubt, you can contact us at any time. Happy learning, friends. Thank you.